Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
2023 election. Northern businessman buy 40 million naira presidential fund for Atiku. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar has obtained the 40 million presidential fund of the People Democratic Party. Atiku announced this on his official Facebook page on Thursday, adding that the fund was procured for him by Northern businessmen under the aegis of the Northeast Business Community. He wrote, "Moment ago, the Northeast Business Community presented me with the PDP nomination and expression of interest form. This was an fulfillment to the promise made when I visited the Jurate state of Gombe late last year. I can never thank them enough, and I will never betray the confidence they had and other people of goodwill has reposed in me."